So when we see about a smartphone, and on time which come to our mind is the Android, right? Android is the platform which is used in a smartphone, and it is the most commonly used platform for the smartphone devices. So we saw before that Android is an open source platform, and it was as a result of the alliance. An alliance is there, Open Handset Alliance. It is a consortium of some 80 plus industries, and they have come up with a consortium to make the standards open so that different players can work on a unified system, that is the Android platform. This Open Handset Alliance has different device makers, different communication providers, different network service providers, like that different companies are there in that. So that from 2007 this Android has become an open source, and it was the second version of the Android. It is called Beta Android. So Android Beta. So from the second version onwards, it is an open source, and this Android platform is managed by Google company, Google Corporation. So they will release the different versions of Android as they develop, so that other people can download that versions and use in their systems. From the second onwards, different versions are named in terms of different desserts, like lollipops, donuts, according to the alphabetical order. So for example, the next version after beta was the cupcake. Cupcake was the version 1.5. Like that, we have now reached up to Oreo. We have reached up to Oreo. Oreo is 8.0 to 8.1. It was released in 2017. So when you hear the names like a donut, Oreo, lollipop, these are the different versions of Android. So this is the little story about the Android software. And now let us see, what is this Android? Android consists of 3 layers. It is consisting of an operating system, and it has a middleware, and it has an application layer. So here key applications will be there. Other applications users are free to download and use. So what is the operating system here? The operating system used is the Linux operating system. Linux kernel is used here, which is programmed in C language. And this middleware is programmed in either Java, C or C++. So this middleware has 2 functions. It will provide a framework. They will provide a framework for application development. So if anybody interested in developing different apps, they can use this middleware to develop applications. So these applications will be developed using the language Java. So this middleware helps in that application development. It acts as a framework for that, and it has a runtime environment also. So it manages all other apps running on it, and this runtime environment is programmed in C or C+ language. And the key applications, they are mainly coded in Java. So these are the different layers and different languages used in Android, and the source is open. Anybody can develop on it. Anybody can develop apps on it using this framework and different languages. So this because of this open source nature of the Android, we have seen various advancements in the mobile phone technology. Mobile phone has become very popular now. Smartphone has become very popular now. We have many competing players and different features added to the applications nowadays. There is a trend to going more towards the apps, right? Different government institutions also come up with the apps for their purpose. Different commercial institutions also come up with the apps for their purpose, because it is more user friendly and the reach also very large, since usage also increasing exponentially nowadays. So the Android is the basic platform which is working here.
For engineering services general studies video lectures, visit www.iesgeneralstudies.com. For mechanical engineering video lectures and question and answer discussion, visit www.getnet.com.